everybody, this is Sean at the Hobby House in Reseda, California, and today we're going to learn how to match a brushless DC motor and speed controller to your RC airplane. It can be pretty intimidating at first to be matching these components and understanding what exactly they do, but at the very basic essence of it, the motor is what provides the power, the ESC is what translates the power from the battery to the motor, and of course you have a battery to start the power in the first place. Now, matching the motor and the ESC can seem a bit complicated, but all manufacturers of airplanes have a recommended size of what electric motor they want you to use, be it a 400 size, 500 size. It's all listed in the description of what your plane will need. And from there, matching an ESC to it is very simple. You simply need to know how much current your motor is going to draw. For example, if a motor is rated at peak current draw of 90 amps, you want an ESC that's able to handle that and probably about 20% more. The 20% mark leaves a margin of error if you ever run into circumstances where your plane's going to be facing exceptional load and causes the motor to have an amperage spike. Bringing it all together, once you have a motor that will work for your airplane and fits the size requirements, and you've matched it with a speed controller that can handle the voltage and the amperage draw of the motor, you'll be able to have a great flying airplane that will be reliable, quick, and lots of fun. And that's how you match a brushless DC motor and speed controller to your RC airplane.